So my new kit just arrived. I'm so excited. It is the Sakura Sushi shop. I'm very excited, so let's open it up. I don't know if I'm going to do this kit right away because I have still other video edits to do on my previous kit, but I can't wait to open it. It's too cute. Okay, let's see. This must be it's like a roll of paper. That must be all the wallpaper. What's in here? Various greenery jars. Oh, that's it. Oh, they're little tempura. Oh my god. Little bottles. Little sake cups. Little sushi plates. Oh my god. So cute. Oh my goodness. This is the... Here, let's put this down like this. There we go. It doesn't have a thingy yet, but we'll see what that plays. Okay, so this is the same company as the Paris Cafe and Cake Shop, and so it's got, if you need the English directions, that's nice. The Paris Cafe and Cake Shop came with English directions, so, and I think this must be the dust cover, so we'll just leave those wrapped up. And probably the main floor, it's got holes on it. Ceiling. Oh, that's a little screw. I think that's from, is that from this box? I'll put that back in this box. Just in case. I'll close that. Let's see what else we got. Here's our, here's the instructions. Yeah, not in English, so we'll look up the English instructions. So cute. Oh my god. Little walls. Our walls. Pretty fabric. Looks like cherry blossoms. So that must be the roof pieces. And all sorts of things in here. Lights. Lots of lights. Weird that they're just like squished in there, though. I don't know if I'm going to flatten them somehow. Especially like little rice paper bits. Oh, scissors. And a new thing of tweezers. And a little awl and a ruler. Mine has never come, none of my kits have ever come with that. The first kit I had came with really good tweezers. These actually look pretty nice too. I've used those same tweezers for all of my kits since then. So that looks like all of the building pieces, sandpaper. What's what we got in here? Oh, all the additional building pieces. Cute. That's it. What's this? So, worries me that this is open and all these are squished in. Look, this might just be me that I like things tidy. Felt burlap. Lots of felt pieces. I think these are all for the sushi. You need to make your own sushi. Yeah, it's all little bits of that. And then I think this stuff is going to be the rice, from what I could tell on the online directions. Cute. I wonder what these little guys are. But yeah, this is definitely the cutest bag of stuff little ramen bowls. So cute. Oh my gosh. Little spoons and a knife. Oh my gosh. I wonder what you make the chopsticks out of. I'm excited to find that out. Here, let's see. Oh, look at it all. Oh my gosh. Hi, yes. Are you excited too? Oh, those are to make little lanterns, it looks like. But yeah, I'm definitely going to need English directions. I'll let you know how hard or easy those are to figure out. So cute. Yay!